Hello everyone, my name is Ritika. English is everywhere around us. We see it and movies, songs, books and even on the internet. When we learn English, we can enjoy these things better. Thank you. The beauty of English literature. Hello everyone, my name is Sema Malani. English literature is beautiful. There are so many wonderful stories and poems written in explore the beauty of English literature and enrich our mind. Thank you. My journey with English. Hello everyone, my name is Vimal and I want to share my journey with English. English and the future opportunities. Good morning everyone. I am Alagi Moli. Learning English opens up many future. It helps us get into good school and colleges. Thank you. English for personal growth. Hello teachers and friends. My name is Vaibavi. Learning English helps us grow individually. It improves our communication skills and boosts our confidence. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Devi Pison. I'm studying third standard. Power. What is worship? செய்யும் தலிகை தெய்வம். Thank you. My name is Maria. I am studying third standard. GK question. Which is the largest city in India? Answer Delhi. அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். என் பேர் கார்த்திகா. நான் 3ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். திருக்குறள். புறம் நாடி குட்டுமுன் நாடி அவற்றல் மிக நாடி மிக்க கொளல். நன்றி.